Okay, example 14, rationalising the denominators. I start with 1 over root 3, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by root 3, because that will rationalise the denominator. 1 times root 3 on the top is root 3, and root 3 times root 3 is 3. There we go. Part B. Right. 1 over 3 plus root 2. To rationalise the denominator here, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3 minus root 2. Okay, so that's that, and I'm going to multiply by 3 minus root 2. So that's going to give me 3 minus root 2 as the numerator, and on the bottom here, I'm going to get 3 3s and 9, and then I'm going to get plus root 2 minus root 2, which is going to give me minus 2. So I've got 9 minus 2, which will give me 7. And what about the root 2's? Well, they're going to disappear, of course, because I'm going to get plus 3 of them minus 3 of them. So my final answer is 3 minus root 2 over 7. Right, C. Let's have a look at C. I'm going to have, I've got, here we go, root 5 plus root 2 over root 5 minus root 2. I'm going to, there's my top and bottom. I'm going to multiply them both by root 5 plus root 2, because that is what will give me a rational number on the bottom of the fraction. Right, so I'm going to work out on the top here what root 5 plus root 2 multiplied by root 5 plus root 2 is. So my first term is going to give me 5, and my last term is going to give me 2, so that's going to give me 7. And then I'm going to have root 2 times root 5 twice, so that's going to give me 2 root 10. On the bottom, I'm going to have first term is going to give me 5, and then minus 2, which gives me 3, and the middle terms are going to disappear. So there is C with a rational denominator. Right, let's look at D. 1 over 1 minus root 3 squared. 1 over 1 minus root 3 squared. Well, I'm going to simplify that first and work out what my denominator comes to if I expand the brackets here. So that's going to give me 1 over, my constant term is going to be 1 minus 3, which is going to give me minus 2. And then I'm going to have minus root 3 minus another root 3. So it's going to be minus 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay. Right, I'm going to have to multiply top and bottom of that fraction by something to rationalise the denominator. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom, there's the top, a whole 1, and the bottom by minus 2 plus 2 root 3. Minus 2 plus 2 root 3. So on the top, the numerator, I'm simply going to have 1 times that bracket. Minus 2 plus 2 root 3. And the denominator is going to be, well, the first term is going to give me minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. Okay, and from that, let's write that down, 4. And from that, I'm going to have minus, because I've got a minus times a plus. Minus 2 times 2 is 4, times root 3 is 3. So I've got minus 2 plus 2 root 3 on the top, and I've got minus 8 on the bottom. I'm not sure I like having a negative denominator, so I'm going to write that as 2 minus 2 root 3 over 8. And in doing so, I see I can divide the top and bottom by 2. So top divided by 2 and the bottom divided by 2. So that's my final answer there, 1 minus root 3 all over 4. And there are my solutions to example 4.